Lavender Cocoa Bite Size. I'm going to show you how to make whipped coconut cream, and this is a fantastic vegan substitute for normal dairy cream. It's very easy to make and it tastes great. So I've just chilled this can of coconut cream in the fridge overnight so that the solid will separate from the liquid. So just open it up. You can see the solid part has come to the top. So you just need to scoop that into a mixing bowl that you've chilled in the freezer for about 5 minutes. The liquid is left in the can and you can use that in any other recipe. What you need to do is whip it. Okay, when the cream is starting to thicken, you can add any flavouring that you like. I'm just going to add some vanilla. Of course, if you like it sweeter, you can add a little bit of maple syrup, or you could add orange rind, lemon rind, coffee powder, cacao powder, basically anything, cinnamon, nutmeg, any kind of spice, anything you like. Just put it into the cream and continue to whip. So as you can see, it's a nice thick and creamy consistency, and you can have it with any dessert you like. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.